How to apply for nursing forms. If you have completed senior high school and you want to buy nursing form this year, then this video is for you. I would like you to watch this video to the end. Okay, so by the end of this video, you are going to know how to apply for nursing forms if the forms comes out. Okay, so what you have to know is for nursing forms, when the Ministry of Health release the forms, okay, there are things you need to know. Okay, the first thing is passport picture size and then the background. Okay, so when you're going to apply it, before you apply it, make sure to research about the passport, the background of the passport picture. If you want to apply for degree, diploma, or certificate, make sure to research about all these. Okay, the background, you use it to apply for. Okay, if you're a degree student, you're not going to use the background as those who want to apply for diploma. Okay, last year I think for degree, for those who want to apply for degree, their background was white background, and for diploma and then certificate, their background was red. Okay, so if you didn't research about it, then okay, you must to research about this. It's very, very important. And how you buy the forms is two ways. Okay, they sell some on bank and you can do it on phone also. Okay, I thought last year they didn't make us buy it on banks. Yes, we buy the form on our phone and they give us our serious numbers and then pin code. I don't even know if this year also that the same thing going to happen. I don't know. Okay, but last year that's what they did. So if this year they allow us to go and then buy it on banks, then when you go and then buy it at bank, then you come to the portal and then click your serial number and then the pin. You type your serial number and okay, then the portal will open for you and then you apply. Okay, you apply for it. And if you want to buy it on phone also, then you buy it on phone and they will send you your serial number and then the pin code and then use it to apply it on the portal. Okay, so as I said earlier, the passport picture background is very, very important, and then the size. Okay, if you didn't make your research and then let's say you want to apply for diploma and then you use degree, okay, you pay the money all right, and as if you pay the money, you have write it there that the money is not refundable. So if you made any mistake, you are not going to get your money back. So make sure you research about everything, the size they want, the background, everything correctly before you apply. Okay, it's very, very simple. Anyone can apply for it. Okay, last year I did it myself. I didn't go to any cafe. Okay, so it's very easy. If you follow and then do research about it, you can do it yourself. Okay, so this is how to apply for if Ministry of Health release the forms. Okay, so this video going to help you and then you know how to apply if the forms is out. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video.